Zupper Pro Rental Housing Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get rental platforms wrong. They think they are just listing sites. But the surprising truth about Zumper Pro is that it's designed specifically for landlords and property managers to streamline tenant placement and rental management. You won't believe how much time it can save compared to traditional methods. Here's how it works. Zumper Pro lets you list properties, screen applicants, run background and credit checks, and receive applications directly online. The platform is optimized to attract high-quality tenants quickly, reducing vacancy periods and administrative headaches. For example, a property manager with multiple units can post all listings at once, automatically pre-screen applicants, and even schedule showings online. Most people get this wrong. They think managing multiple properties is a logistical nightmare, but Zumper Pro centralizes everything in one dashboard. Additional benefits include real-time rental market insights, competitive pricing suggestions, and integration with popular property management software. Users praise its ease of use, detailed reporting, and the ability to communicate directly with applicants through the platform. However, there are considerations. Zumper Pro charges subscription fees for listing multiple properties and advanced screening tools. Most people assume free listing sites are enough, but for serious property managers, these professional features can pay for themselves by reducing vacancy times and tenant issues. In conclusion, Zumper Pro is ideal for landlords and property managers who want a professional, efficient, and data-driven way to manage rental properties. If you're tired of slow tenant placement and messy paperwork, this platform is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of rental housing tools and property management solutions.